Okay, everybody. I'm going to point out the new expense reports that we just came out with a couple of days ago. Other thing that's only going to take me a couple of minutes, so a few things I just wanted to point out first. Sometimes people forget the select a default project is here. What that's for is if somebody, especially out in the field, is working on the same project day after day after day, they don't really care about what's maybe in the rest of the modules. So it's real easy to just come over, select the project that you're in. That'll filter out all of the other project information. Just cuts down on navigation, cuts down on errors, makes things all around easy to do. And then of course we have our webinars and free training. Don't ever feel like you're stuck. Just give us a shout. You've got the webinar free training. You've got the chat now box down here as well. There's phone number direct to my desk, and there's my email. So don't ever feel like you're stuck. Just reach out and give me a holler. I'm more than happy to help. So starting out here on my dashboard, but let's jump down. Let's jump right into the meat of it here. We'll go down into reports. And so what we did on the expense reports is turn them into basically a sorted PDF. So what it'll do by project, it'll break everything out. It'll attach the photos of receipts or invoices that somebody had taken. And then we have the three different reports. So expense log by project, expense log by cost code, expense log by date range. And again, just like with the rest of our reports, I'll just click on a report here. You still have the parameters that you can use to sort out and create that report. I'm just going to go back a little ways here. I'm not exactly sure maybe what I have in here for a whole bunch of data. So we'll just grab a big old wide date range. I'm going to hit apply because now I'm in a custom range. You can also, and this makes it easier, kind of one-stop clicking, one-stop shopping. Just click today, yesterday, 7 days, 30 days, this month, last month. Just a quick way to grab that data. I'll go ahead and hit apply. Now, like with the rest of our reports, if I want to see it for all employees, I leave it blank. All projects, I just leave that blank, or all cost codes. Or I can say, okay, I want to look at it by employee, by project, John Smith on these three projects that he's responsible for expenses on. I just want to keep an eye on them, get a quick total of what's going on. And I can also select it by cost code. So I'm just going to select my PDF. The other report is the standard CSV that we have. It's a big report. I went quite a ways back. So now by date range, cost code, scroll down. There's what would be our receipts. It's just our sample photos. Everybody loves Mario. So that's the layout and the breakdown on our new expense reports. Just had a lot of requests for new and better ways to kind of sort those out. The other side to that, and that's how those expense reports came about. A number of customers came to us and said, hey, we need to sort these out by this different. I need the photos attached, the receipts, invoices, etc. And so don't ever hesitate to reach out and say, hey, I'd really need this report. Chances are, if you can get us a decent template of it, just done up in Excel or even Word or something, so we know exactly what it is you're looking for, send it to us, and we'll do everything we can to create that report for you. All right. Thanks, everybody. That was short and sweet. Holler if you got any questions.